everyone, I'm Rachel.
And I'm Louie.
And welcome to
Alloy
Tech
Tech
Talk.
Today, we'll be unboxing GDS 3710.
But first, let's have some short introduction about this product.
This is an IP video door system that serves as a high-definition IP surveillance camera and IP intercom. It offers facility access control and security monitoring for buildings of all sizes. This is ideal for monitoring from wall to wall without blind spots. It also delivers exceptional performance for all lighting conditions. It has two-way audio and video streaming to IP phones or even smartphones. It contains integrated PoE, LEDs, HD loudspeaker, RFID card reader, motion detector, lighting control switch, and more. GDS 3710 is ideal for entry places that requires wide-angle monitoring such as banks, hotels, schools, office building, retail stores, and small warehouses. It is also good for small to medium-sized and closed environments.
So now, let's see what's in the box. So, let's open it now. You can see we have drill template sticker for the license, the quick installation guide. What else? Screws, wigand and fob, and gaskets. We also have RFID card, cleaning cloth for the lens, wiring console where you insert the wires or for pins, and of course the GDS 3710. What else? We also have installation bracket, no more. So that's it for unboxing. Thank you all for watching.
Subscribe to this channel for more Alloy Tech Talks. See you again in our next videos and tutorials.
Bye!
Oh my god.